Okay, so today I'm just going to talk about cleaning this spot on a P5000 and the 4900. This piece right here cleans your print head. So you want to make sure that it's very clean and it's not going to clog, because if you don't do that, it will not be able to keep your print head clean and in good health. So you want to make sure that this part is always clean and is able to, suck out whatever it needs to out of the head. So what I do is usually clean the gasket around it and just go along the inside where the metal grate is and try to agitate anything that gets stuck in there, and then suck it out with a paper towel. So I go in there with a paper towel and just dab it, and I just keep dabbing it until I get no more ink in there. The white caps, you want to keep those clean too, because that's where the head parks. The print head will park there and store itself, so you always want to keep that clean. And I'll use my cleaning swab and get it all clean. All the way around and on the inside. This is called the white caps. You can do this in the maintenance menu on the printer itself. So just make sure that those are all clean. I know in my previous cleaning videos for this machine, I forgot to talk about this little cap right there, the little one with the metal grate around it. But that one is very important, and just make sure that you keep those clean. So again, we're gonna run this down. We're gonna clean these white caps, make sure that one is super clean, the gasket around it super clean, and then this is a spit pad. Okay, so the spit pad, we just basically put some Windex in there. Sorry, my phone dropped. So we basically put some Windex in there, and we suck it back out. The Windex will break down all the inks in there, and we'll just suck it back up by putting a piece of paper towel there and cleaning it out. Just repositioning it so you guys can get a good view. Get that nice and clean. Okay, so white caps are clean. Now we're gonna go do the spit pad here. We're gonna go ahead and put some Windex in there. You can see all that ink. Let that sit for a little while. I'll use these blue shop towels that you can buy from Costco. I'll cut them into four. One sheet will cut into four, and I'll fold them up. And this is how we'll clean it. See how dirty this is? So you want to get that as clean as possible. So we're going to be absorbing as much of the ink up so it doesn't clog anything. I always like to do the little guy, and then I'll do the big guy. And what I mean by the little guy is this guy will be called the little guy. I always like to keep him super clean. I'll clean him first, then I'll clean him. I'll go back and forth. That's just my process. So you just do that until you get, you know, a lot less ink. So just keep doing that and you should be good. And if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button and like my videos, comment if you can, and you can also come shop with us at our store. I'll leave a link to our store for inks, film, powder, refillable cartridges, and supplies for DTF printers. All right, have a good one, guys. Make sure, one more thing, make sure, this is how I clean it. I put it into the maintenance and it goes to white cap cleaning. So that's how I get the head to move over to the side and we start cleaning. So just get it as clean as you can and just close it and it'll put everything back to ready state and you're good. All right, have a good one, guys.